If you have dermaroller and you are afraid to dermaroll because it's sunny outside and you think you cannot use dermaroller, you are very wrong. I will show you actually how to take care of your skin after you dermaroll, even if you're living in a sunny place, location. Guys, I've been living for almost 11 years in Miami. Sun 365, 24/7. It's sunny right now outside. It is 96 degrees and it's freaking humid. And you will think living in Miami, Australia, South Africa, anywhere in South America, anywhere in South Europe that you cannot use microneedling tools because it's sunny and it's hot outside. Let me tell you what you need. So if you dermarolled last night, because you should always dermaroll only before bed, like 1 or 2 hours before bed. What do you want to use next day? You want to moisturize your skin like crazy next day, because next day most likely your skin gonna be dry. I am using this Honey Halo from pharmacy. It's really great cream. You do you, but I only use this one if my skin is really freaking dry. Looks like the life suck out the moisture out of your skin. And let me tell you, that's okay. That's totally normal that your skin is dry for the next couple of days. Don't freak out. Just use a lot of moisture. You get dehydrated, evaporated skin next day, 2 days, 3 days. It's totally okay. These are 3 items what you need. Item number 1, sunscreen. Good quality, toxic-free sunscreen. You wanna use sunscreen. When I say to you guys after dermaroller, try to avoid sun for 72 hours. Yes, try to avoid. But I don't say don't go in the sun if you're wearing sunscreen. Listen, if you're planning to go on vacation to Italy or Mexico next week and you're thinking, should I dermaroll? And you know you're gonna be on the beach every single day. No. My alarm for the tea. I think I made the tea already. That's ADHD brain. So this is what you do. If you know you're gonna travel and you're gonna go on the beach every single day for the next 7 days, don't dermaroll. Dermaroll only when you're back. But if you're living in a sunny place like me, this is what you need. You need to make sure your skin is super hydrated. You use sunscreen. This is tinted sunscreen with SPF 25, which is first on the market. Certified toxic-free sunscreen, no chemicals, nothing is causing cancer. Number 2, what you need. Hat. Get a freaking big hat. Go to TJ Maxx, Marshall, Nordstrom Rack, anywhere you can get a hat like this. Get the freaking hat. And number 3, what you need. Get sunglasses. If you're still freaking out, get the mask. Pretend you have COVID. That's it. Simple as that. Hello? Don't I look kind of cool like Chanel? Ooh, hi baby. Ooh. Hope this helps. Let me know down in comments below if this was helpful. Ask me any questions. I will be happy to reply. And click the red button, subscribe. Please subscribe because you will get amazing other videos in the future. Bye. I love you. Mwah.